Friends, imagine this. After months of silence and rising tension, two powerful nations suddenly decide to rebuild trust. Yes, today's story is about Canada and India opening a brand new chapter in their diplomatic relations. Welcome to Canada Inside 360. Who the new High Commissioners are? How this decision impacts students, businesses, and immigrants, and why this news matters on a global scale. Canada and India have always shared strong connections through education, trade, immigration, and technology. But recently, ties grew cold, leading to visa delays, trade barriers, and stress for the Indian and Canadian diaspora. Now things are finally shifting. Both countries have appointed new High Commissioners. From Canada, Christopher Cooter. From India, Dinesh K. Patnaik. This move is a clear signal to rebuild trust and restore cooperation. Impact on people like us. Students. Faster visa processing, smoother academic pathways, and a more welcoming environment. Immigrants and families. Greater security, confidence, and less uncertainty for newcomers and existing residents. Businesses. Expanded trade and investment opportunities in technology, agriculture, and services. Communities. Less political tension means peace of mind for millions of people across both countries. Global significance. Canada and India are not just partners, they're major global economies. When they cooperate, it strengthens not only their own future, but also impacts international trade, security, and diplomacy. So the ice is melting and hope is returning. This diplomatic step is a win for students, families, businesses, and for global relations. What do you think? Will this really bring lasting positive change? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Canada Inside 360 for more updates on Canada and the world. Thank you for watching.